Access changes everything. This video features a series of ADA ramps designed with purpose, precision, and style. Clean builds, smooth transitions, and finishes that feel solid the moment you see them. At Delightful Services, ramps are more than a path from one point to another. They're carefully designed structures that improve flow, safety, and everyday movement, while blending naturally into the space. Each ramp you're watching is planned for stability, built for durability, and finished to look as good as it performs. No shortcuts, no distractions, just clean, reliable access done right. Accessibility is not just about compliance. It's about independence, safety, and confidence. At Delightful Services, we design and install VPL and ADA accessibility solutions that make movement easier and spaces more inclusive. Every lift is carefully planned, expertly installed, and built to meet ADA standards while maintaining a clean, professional appearance. Our VPL solutions provide safe, smooth access for homes and businesses, helping people move freely without barriers. This is accessibility done right, reliable, durable, and designed to last. When you choose Delightful Services, you're choosing experience, quality craftsmanship, and solutions you can trust. Great spaces are defined by how they're built and how they perform. In every project you're seeing, details matter. Clean lines, strong finishes, thoughtful layouts. Each environment reflects careful planning, skilled execution, and a clear purpose. At Delightful Services, we specialize in ADA-focused solutions for residential and commercial spaces, combining accessibility with high-quality craftsmanship. From refined bathrooms to functional kitchens, from precisely built ramps to fully adapted interiors, every element is designed to work seamlessly while maintaining a polished, professional finish. Our approach goes beyond surface-level improvements. We focus on structure, flow, durability, and usability, creating spaces that are not only compliant, but impressive, reliable, and built to last. These projects showcase our commitment to quality, safety, and design excellence. Accessibility doesn't have to look ordinary. With the right expertise, it becomes part of a refined, well-executed space. If you're looking for ADA solutions delivered with precision and elevated standards, Delightful Services is ready to deliver. Contact us today and let's bring your next project to life. A better bathroom starts with better design. At Delightful Services, we transform outdated bathrooms into clean, modern spaces built for comfort, function, and style. From upgraded finishes to smart layouts and quality craftsmanship, every detail is handled with care to create a space that feels fresh, practical, and built to last. This is bathroom remodeling done right by Delightful Services, a space you'll enjoy every day. From the ground up, we build with purpose. At Delightful Services, we transform spaces through solid construction, modern remodeling, and upgrades designed to last. Homes and businesses deserve craftsmanship you can see and reliability you can trust. Whether it's a renovation, an improvement, or an accessibility upgrade, our team delivers clean work, smart solutions, and results that elevate your property. We focus on strength, detail, and efficiency every step of the way. Ready to upgrade your space? At Delightful Services, we specialize in kitchen remodels and ADA modifications that make your space safer, more functional, and beautiful. Watch the amazing before and after transformations of kitchens we've renovated, designed to make every meal, every movement, and every moment easier and more enjoyable. Your comfort, safety, and style are our top priorities.